Since 2009, Titan Machinery Co. has been engaged in the high-level development and production of landscaping and gardening equipment. Thanks to rich experience in the design and production of garden machinery, particularly small gasoline-powered machines, we are able to meet various market demands and provide complete customized production services for our customers. Today, Titan Machinery offers high-performance gas chainsaws, brush cutters, hedge trimmers, earth augers, blowers, water pumps, multifunction machines, and other series of products. Also, petrol lawnmower and lithium battery items are under development to get your landscaping and gardening jobs done right. Moreover, we also provide you with various accessories. Titan is ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OHSAS 18001 certified. In addition, our products are also CE, Euro, GS, and ROHS certified. Our products are noted for their stable performance, long working life, and cost effectiveness. Therefore, we have reached high praise from customers throughout 50 countries and regions worldwide, including Britain, Poland, Spain, Germany, France, Italy, Russia, Czech Republic, and Malaysia. Many of our long-term orders have been placed by large wholesalers, chain supermarkets, and hardware stores. As a manufacturing enterprise with an emphasis on technological innovation, we have established an independent technology research center. Combining our technical experience with this fully equipped research facility, we have everything needed to continuously create new and improved products to meet the various demands of customers. All raw materials, semi-finished products, and finished products undergo strict inspection using several precision instruments so as to ensure that each performance index is in line with industry standards. We adhere to our commitment to quality through all production stages. Our production facility is equipped with around 20 injection molding machines of different tonnages. In this factory, we carry out independent mold production utilizing our own processing equipment, such as punching machines, milling machines, and welding machines. Therefore, we are fully capable of independent development and production and are ready to provide our customers with fully customized production services. Additionally, in order to meet production capacity demands, we have installed several assembly lines to carry out semi-automated production. This ensures that we can fulfill orders in a timely manner. In order to control the processing quality of products, Titan has also introduced a number of high-precision test instruments. Products will undergo a number of strict tests to ensure their performance so that customers will enjoy superior and reliable performance. The eligible products will go through cleaning and packaging according to the requirements. What's more, we also have a large warehouse system to manage the finished products, ensuring the transportation cycle will be completed in a reasonable amount of time.